Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important science and technology advancement from the China. What is this? Once we have to see. Russia tested Poseidon drone. Russia tested Poseidon drone. Russia awakens its doomsday weapon. Doomsday weapon. So under the sea, this drone can work. Once we have to see. Russia has successfully tested a Poseidon drone, declaring it impossible to intercept. No one can intercept to this drone. So this is very advantage technology Russia introduced. Poseidon drone. What is the Poseidon drone? We have to see. It is a new atomic powered and nuclear capable underwater drone. It is a new atomic powered and nuclear capable underwater drone. It outperforms all existing systems in speed and depth. So it is designed to travel a speed up to 200 kilometers per hour. Right now 124 meters per hour, significantly faster than any existing torpedoes or warships. Clear? So it is designed to evade defenses to cause a tsunami powerful enough to devastate a coastal city. Any tsunami will come, any devastate coastal city will happen. So this should exist and evade the defenses. It cannot be intercepted to any human body. So any mission, this is a very powerful drone. They tested successfully. So what is that drone? Poseidon drone, declared it impossible to intercept. Who declared? The Russian government is declared. It works based on the atomic powered and nuclear capable underwater drone. Clear? This is very important. Now under the space we are seeing the drones. Underwater also the China government prepared the drone system. Anybody cannot intercept that drone technology. So please share and subscribe and like our YouTube channel. Touch the bell button. The notification will come to you. Like the science and technology videos we will upload in our YouTube channel. Listen and get the success in your competitive examination. Thank you so much.